Hey cruisers! Today we're looking at cabin 7072 on Oceania Regatta. This cabin is full of thoughtful touches and amenities which we will explain in detail. The first thing we noticed was how clean, bright, and modern this cabin feels. We had ours set up in a double bed configuration, but you can have it made into one bed if you prefer. There's nice extra storage on both sides of the bed. Above the nightstands, there's electrical outlets and convenient USB ports. Here's a quick look at the other side. These fancy reading lights are on both sides of the bed as well. Continuing on, you'll see this nice sitting area on the right. On the left is the desk area. You'll find additional storage here as well as the mini fridge. Here's what the mini fridge looks like open. As you face the desk, the refrigerator is on the left and the drawers are on the right. You'll also find more outlets and USB ports here. There's a clever spot for magazines built into the left side of the desk. Moving back toward the door, we can see the flat screen TV. Just beyond that, there are 3 handy hooks that we used as a grab-and-go station for my purse and jackets as we would leave the room. On the left, here's a full-length mirror. On the right, we have even more storage. Here, we have a bar area complete with complimentary water and water bottles. Below that, there are some nice-sized cabinets for additional storage. You can really settle into this cabin. Now we come to the closets. Here, you'll find some hanging space, as well as these nice, soft close drawers. This is also where the safe and hairdryer are kept. Now for a look at the bathroom. On our sailing, there were complimentary Bulgari products available. Now let's take a look at the storage in the bathroom. Above the sink, there's storage behind the mirror. A bit more below the sink, and off to the side here. Now here's a quick look at the shower. We'll close this video with a wide shot of the bathroom and a look at the gorgeous, spacious balcony. You'll love spending time out here. Be sure to check out our full ship tour of Regatta, as well as our first impressions and review videos linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe before you go, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a quick thumbs up. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.